Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel Bioessential. So, today our topic is the air passageways and lungs. Air passageways. The air passageways of human consist of nostrils, nasal cavities, bronchia, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveolar duct. The external openings of nasal cavities are called nostrils. The nasal cavity is subdivided into the three passageways by projection of bones from wall of internal nose. The nasal cavities are lined with hair and mucous membrane of ciliated epithelium, that is the layer of the cell, which traps foreign dust particles, thus filtered the air. It also moistens the dry air and brings the air temperature near to the body temperature. The nasal cavities leads into the muscular pharynx through two internal nostrils. It common passage for both air and food. The air is passed from the pharynx into the larynx or sound box. Larynx is a cartilaginous structure situated above the trachea. Its cavity called glottis. One of the cartilage known as epiglottis is controlled by muscles and serving as a lid having hinge-like action. The epiglottis automatically covers the opening of larynx during the act of swallowing so as to prevent the entry of food or liquid into the larynx. The glottis contains two pairs of fibrous band known as vocal cords that vibration during expiration produce voice. Trachea is a tabular structure placed ventral to the esophagus and extend to the chest cavity thorax, where it is divided into right and left bronchi, each leading to the lungs its side. The wall of the trachea is membranous and ciliated, which secretes mucus that helps to filter, moisten, and warm the incoming air. The trachea is supported by a series C-shaped cartilaginous rings, about 60 to 22 rings in adult, which prevents the trachea from blocking by king twist anytime when the neck bends during movement. It also prevents collapsing and provides an open passageways for the air to pass. Each bronchus, when enters the lungs, divides and subdivides progressively into the smaller bronchi, which is cartilaginous. Each smaller bronchus divides to form small branches known as bronchioles, which have diameter of 1 millimeter, made up of circular, involuntary smooth muscles like cartilaginous rings. The bronchioles end into fine thin walled tubules called alveolar ducts, which ends into the tiny hollow bags like structure called air sacs or alveoli. Singular alveolus. The alveolus is the functional unit of the lungs, where exchange of gases take place. They are surrounded by blood capillaries of pulmonary arteries, which carry deoxygenated blood from the right side of the heart, that is from right ventricle. These capillaries join together to form the pulmonary veins, which bring back oxygenated blood to the left side of heart, that is left atrium. Lungs are paired and located in the chest cavity, one on either side of the heart. These are extended from the base of the neck to the diaphragm. diaphragm. Both lungs are reddish yellow in color, conical in shape. The right lung is broader than the left lung, while the left lung is 2.54 centimeter longer than the right lung. Each lung is enclosed in a double membrane called pleura. There is a fluid named pleural fluid between the two pleural membranes, which protects the lungs from friction during its contraction and expansion.